In this video, I'll show you how you can fix high memory RAM usage on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first step I suggest you do is you come here and search for Registry Editor. In here, what you want to do is you want to open up the HKey local machine, go to System, Control Z 001, and in here go to Services. And in here you want to look for the N section. So just scroll down until you find N. Here. Then you want to look for NDU. Then you want to look for Start. Now this one should be on 2, and you want to change that one to 4 and then close it down. Make sure you press OK to save it. So you can just press OK, save it, and then it should be 4, and then you can see if this works for you. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can try and do is you can come here and search for Services. Then you press Anywhere and press S. Then you want to look for either something called Superfetch or something called sysmain. Now you might have one of these, and I have the sysmain one. So if you have that one, just click on it. Or if you have the Superfetch one, that one is fine as well. Go in here, change it to disabled, press stop, and then apply, OK, and then restart your PC. Now either one of these two solutions should hopefully work for you. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.